Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rinse aid reservoir in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's cracked or damaged, or because you're not getting any rinse aid being dispensed. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a screwdriver with a VT20 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher door here. So now what we have to do is we have to get all the screws off around the door here. So we're going to be using a star bit VT20 in order to get those out. And the next thing we're going to do is we can lift up our door now that all the screws are out. And that'll just pop right off like so. And now what you'll want to do is just take note of where these wires are all at. We're going to have to unplug all of those and separate the door from the other half. There we go. And now I need to remove this actuator, and all we need to do on this is just pull it straight up and it'll pop right out. And this right here is going to be our dispenser latch spring. So in order to get it off, all we have to do is just stretch it up and it'll come right off. And the next thing I'm going to do is I need to remove these two screws right here, and I'm going to use a 1/4" nut driver to do that. And now all I have to do is pull this entire assembly up and it should come right off. And now that we've got that off, we'll go to the other side of our door here. And I'm going to take off the lid for the rinse aid here. And now there's going to be another piece that screws on right underneath that. So you can either try and get it by hand, and if it's too tight to get it by hand, in one of the slots right there, you can just use a screwdriver and push that so it twists counterclockwise until it comes off. And now when you lift up the door with that piece off, the entire part should separate. So now what we need to do before we grab our new reservoir is we're going to take the plunger out. So we're just going to rotate that so that those two pieces aren't underneath the locking tabs anymore. And then we'll pull that out. And then we can take off this O-ring here. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement rinse aid reservoir. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So we'll set our O-ring into place here first, like so, and then just push it down around the edges to make sure it's secure, just like that. And now we can get our plunger and then just push that all the way down into place, like so. And then what we'll do is we'll rotate it until those two pieces are underneath the locking tabs right there. Now you'll see on this side of the door here, this will go right there through that hole. And then we'll flip the door to the other side. And now we'll just screw it back into place while holding it from the other side there. And then we'll just give it a good extra turn with a screwdriver and make sure it's nice and tight there. Now the latch assembly can go back into place. And what we're doing here is you're going to want to line up this tab right here with that slot. And it'll all fit in there nice and perfect. And once you got that in there, you screw it back down. And now we can put the rinse aid lid back in, like so, and then screw that down. And now put this other actuator back into place. You can see right here, it's got a couple little clips right there that'll clip into place. We just push it straight down like that, and everything should line up. And now we can plug the wires back into the door here. There we go. And now we can put the door down and screw it back in. And then close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.